being bilingual can definitely help people become more tolerant towards others, because it makes it easier to see others' perspectives. It gets a different sense of how other people look at the world and how other systems and other places are organized. You don't have one fixed point to see things, and therefore you're able to get a sense that there's more one way of doing things, more than one way of being successful and making things function. So yes, I think it definitely can allow people to see that you're not stuck in one particular groove.
It's almost having an alter ego in a way, because I'm from Glasgow and I love the big city and everything, but then I can come up here to Slate and Skye and I can just speak Gaelic and listen to Gaelic music, and it seems like a completely different culture, and I feel quite different when I'm here as to when I'm down in Glasgow in the city.
Our children in the Gaelic unit, in the Gaelic stream, get a lot of opportunity to perform and use their Gaelic language skills, their musical skills, to get up on the stage in front of a large audience or to go on the television. And things like this helps to build up their confidence and their self-esteem. So by the time they get to primary 7, we see children who are very confident.
Very often what happens is that a child starts going to school and they feel different because they are bilingual, particularly if their school has a majority of monolingual children. So young children don't like feeling different. They like feeling like everybody else. And so quite often what happens is that the child goes back home and wants to speak English, even to the parent who speaks the minority language. So what to do in that case? In that case, the best thing to do is to continue to speak the minority language, even accepting that the child may not want to speak that language for a period of time. But if the child stops getting input in that language, then you know the knowledge of the language will really decline. I've seen many teenagers who didn't want to speak the language for many years, and then they became teenagers and they discovered that being bilingual is actually cool, and so they started speaking it again.